Thank you for the opportunity today to share with you one of our solutions that deters shoplifters and save thousands of pounds using the latest cost-effective and facial recognition and active alert technology. This solution is suitable and scalable from small single site through to multi-site retailers. Not only will we share the immediate benefits of implementing such a solution with our partners, but also the opportunities it presents to offer so much more. Before we share the solution, let me give you a little bit of background on Dahua. We've grown dramatically since we started operations in 2001. We're a world-leading, video-centric smart IoT solution and service provider. Our systems are already widely applied in many vertical markets today, making a real difference to those that implement them. And we're delighted to say we have an extremely strong and growing presence in the UK and Ireland, with an amazing team delivering many solutions in our local market alongside partners. We have 16,000 employees globally, with over 50% fully engaged in research and development. Our technology solutions, products and services are applied in more than 180 countries and regions. Dahua technology have been ranked second in the ANS Top 50 Global Security for 5 years in a row. We're also the first enterprise in the global security industry to secure ISO IEC 27701 certification. This demonstrates continuous practices in data security and privacy protection. Let's take a closer look at the problem we want to work with you to solve. Shoplifting in the United Kingdom is getting worse and worse and has now become part of everyday living in this country. Retailers are losing billions of pounds where opportunistic and creative thieves are taking advantage. This creates an unprecedented problem for retailers, with many not being able to afford the perceived high cost of security to manage the problem. CCTV is widely used today for surveillance and providing evidence, however requires manual intervention and does not allow for real-time action to be taken. Some cloud-based technologies have been created to solve some of the challenges, but costs can be highly prohibitive, and local effectiveness is limited, especially for smaller stores. The Centre for Retail Research reported almost £2 billion was lost to shoplifting in 2019, equating to 36.4% shrinkage. Recorded instances were almost 375,000 in the same year, but the same source puts it at 15 to 21 times this number as retailers have to manage their use of police to deal with shoplifters. At its predicted worst, this would mean over 7 million incidents in the year. According to the ACS 2020 report, there were over 200 thefts per hour, and the average cost of theft per shop is £2,237 per year. The impact of theft on a small business can be dramatic, forcing price rises and risking the loss of customers to larger competitors better equipped to absorb losses or able to afford security personnel on site. Though the financial cost of this theft is nothing short of outstanding, there's also a very big issue of spike in reported violence against many retail staff members. The ACS recorded 13,437 incidents of violence directed at staff in just 1 year, where 39% resulted in injury and 27% of the cases involved a weapon. The Dahua team has created something incredible using the very latest technology to solve these problems. There are 3 elements: a public view monitor, which customers see when they walk into the store. This shows them on camera and can also be used to display signage too. A small, unobtrusive but high-spec camera is front of the store as well. In the office or other suitable location in the store, there's a network video recorder with inbuilt artificial intelligence connected to a monitor. Simply put, when a person of interest enters your store, an alert is immediately delivered to the monitor in an office or to a manager's mobile device, allowing immediate vigilance and ensuring full records of all actions. Dahua's mastered facial recognition software with an accuracy rate of up to 98% through artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our sophisticated AI software searches through the CCTV streams using stored face pictures by matching their attributes at a speed of 320 pictures per second. This has enabled us to incorporate many new features, such as early warning blacklist alarm for retail of previously convicted shoplifters and violent individuals entering your store. We utilise facial tracking to alert retail staff through our desktop DSS system and mobile DMSS systems. This notifies managers and staff someone of interest has entered the store and extra vigilance can be taken. Our AI software can also detect criminals with a mask on to help our retailers during this pandemic, or if the consumer has a beard or moustache. Our system can store up to 100,000 faces. To our system, you can also store and analyse the recorded big data at any time through AI search. This is a distinctly valuable, easy to use, powerful way to tackle theft. It protects consumers and your retail employees and has helped to deter criminals. This has proved to be a profitable investment for retail business owners globally, saving hundreds of thousands of pounds. However, the investment also has the capability to enable much more. You can study and analyse your consumers' shopping patterns and demographics of your shoppers, or simply look at the flow in and out of stores. You can also review expressions to help measure customer experience and improve your experience in store. Dahua Technology does not sell directly to business, but works with many installers and integrators across the UK, Ireland and globally to implement solutions. One example is Leo3, who've delivered many solutions today to retail. The cost of the equipment is not high, which includes a public view monitor, front of store alongside the high performance camera and monitor, and network video recorder with inbuilt artificial intelligence. We believe the level of sophistication is second to none and now accessible to many more stores in the UK and Ireland. It affords tremendous protection, and we sincerely hope you'll consider our solution to progress in your stores. We highly recommend you make contact with one of our amazing distributors to place your order, or contact us on sales.uk@dahwatech.com to find out more.